How is it going, ladies and gentlemen? This is the Wolf Around, and it's great to see you here. In this video, I'll show you how to install ComfyUI on Windows. It may look complicated, but after watching this video, everything will be clear and easy for you. Subscribe to the channel, join the pack, you are always welcome here. Without further ado, let's get started. You could download the source code of ComfyUI by clicking the download zip button here. But there is a better way to download open source projects like ComfyUI. We'll use Git to download ComfyUI source code. Let's navigate to Git's download page. Click the Download for Windows button and select the 64-bit standalone installer. Now the next step is download in Python. Let's look at Python's download directory. We can download any version of Python from this page. We need to choose the Python version based on the requirements of the PyTorch library. PyTorch is not compatible with the latest versions of Python. Let's check out PyTorch's Getting Started documentation to see which Python versions are compatible. As of the date I'm recording this video, PyTorch is compatible with versions 3.9 to 3.12. So we can download Python version 3.12.9, which is the latest patch of 3.12. Since we are on Windows, download this installer. Now navigate to the folder where you downloaded Git and Python. First, run the Git installer. During the installation steps, I'll only stop to uncheck Windows Explorer integration, because I don't want to see Git-related options on the context menu when I right-click. Complete the installation by clicking Next button through the rest of the steps. Now, run the Python installer. Check the Add python.exe to path option and click Customize installation. Click Next button and check the Install Python for all users option and start installation. At the end of the installation, if you see a button that says Disable Path Length Limit, click it. It didn't show up for me because I already disabled it. Now open a terminal in the directory where you want to install ComfyUI. I downloaded the Git and Python installers to my H drive and I'll install ComfyUI there as well. I'll click the address bar and type cmd to open a terminal in this directory. You can install ComfyUI anywhere you like. Just open a terminal in your preferred directory. Let's quickly verify that Git and Python were installed correctly by printing their version numbers. Git's version doesn't matter, but Python's version should be compatible with PyTorch, as I mentioned earlier. Now navigate to the GitHub page of ComfyUI. Copy the repository link. Go back to the terminal and type this command together with the repository link. Hit enter. This will download the source code of ComfyUI. Once the download is complete, a folder named ComfyUI will appear. Open it and locate the requirements.txt file. Open that file. Delete these lines: Torch, Torch SDA, Torch Vision, and Torch Audio. Then save the file. We are doing this because we want to install PyTorch with CUDA support. Otherwise, you won't get GPU acceleration, and without it, generating even a single image can take a long time. In other words, image generation models require a GPU for practical use. Naturally, the GPU must have enough VRAM to load models into it. I'll explain the memory constraints in upcoming videos. Now let's go to the PyTorch's Getting Started website. Make sure the orange boxes match what you see in this video. you can choose a different CUDA version, but the other boxes should stay the same for Windows installations. Unfortunately, GPU acceleration is not supported for AMD GPUs on Windows. AMD has not made its acceleration library, ROCm, natively available for Windows. ROCm is only supported on Linux, so in this tutorial, I can't cover AMD GPUs even if I want to. Copy the command shown on the PyTorch website and paste it into the terminal. Hit enter. This will download and install the CUDA-enabled PyTorch package. The download might take a while, but I have speeded up in the video editing. Now, type this command to install Torch SDA. Next, navigate to the ComfyUI directory using this command in the terminal. Then run this command. This command installs all remaining required packages. Now we are ready. Type this command to launch ComfyUI. Anytime you want to run ComfyUI, just open a terminal inside the ComfyUI folder and use this command. Keep the terminal open while you are using the ComfyUI. When it launches, you will see an IP address. 127.0.0.1 is your computer's local address. You can access it even without an internet connection. Copy the whole address and paste it into your browser. If you see ComfyUI's interface, the installation was successful. I'm a software engineer specializing in AI inference. In the next video, I'll show you where to find image generation models and how to integrate them with ComfyUI. Stay tuned, like, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.